In this video, I'm going to show you this Google Sheets AI feature that replaces manual text work with the use of Gemini. So if you don't want to manually type every single data on your spreadsheet, you can definitely use Gemini to do that for you. In this example, I have this data where some buyers have reviewed some of these products right here, and I want to respond to some of the reviews that they've had with either a thank you note or an apology note, depending on their reviews. So instead of manually typing, thank you for the review that you've left us, we are happy that you enjoyed this product, something like that. But doing that manually with a large set of data is a big task. So with Gemini, we will be able to quickly generate those texts based on the reviews that we have right here. So to generate your text, what you're going to do is to go to Gemini right here at the end of your menu bar, then select Generate Text right here. Well, that will basically open your AI formula where you create your prompt within this formula right here and select the data or the range that will help your AI formula. So let's go ahead and create our prompt. This is mine right here. So again, I wanted to write a thank you note for the customer if they generally have a good review and an apology note if it's otherwise. And the data that this will be based on will be, again, the review, which is this one right here. So I'm going to put in a comma and select this cell. There we go. If we press enter, it will now generate that text for us, again, based on the condition that we have set for it. And here we have it. So here is our thank you note. And again, if you are dealing with a large set of data, all you'll have to do would be to double click on this part right here or drag it down, whichever way you want to fill out the rest of your data. If I drag it down like so, it will do the same thing with the rest of those reviews. And here we have it. So different type of thank you notes or apology notes written by Gemini for your data. And there we have it. So that's your cool AI feature that quickly generates your text depending on what you want it to do for you within Google Sheets. Now, this video is only a part of my Gemini series where I show you how to use Gemini here in Google Sheets. If you're interested in other videos like this, I have a full playlist and I'll be leaving a card at the top right corner for you to check out. Also, if you still need extra help with Sheets in general, I have a free guide linked in the description below that you can click. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Make sure to subscribe for more helpful videos, and I will see you in the next one.